Hello AI and machine learning community. Today I'm going to talk about 53 free resources on machine learning which we posted on one link. You can go and check that. I will give you the link of that website on my description. You can go and check those courses. It's absolutely free. You don't have to spend even a single dollar on those courses. Let's go and check this. What are the courses they are offering on this? If you go to github.com, developer YCS video courses, machine learning, you can see that it machine learning direct link which I given. You can see that Andrew NG also provide. There is a Coursera Stanford and introduction to machine learning for coders. I don't know which university. I can click this link, but you can check that. And then the Stanford University statistical learning. It's a mathematical one. And then we have machine learning and data mining. You can see Tom Michel. Normally we talk about what is machine learning on previous videos. Caltech also provided UC Berkeley introduction to machine learning, Cornell University machine learning, also Virginia Tech University, University of Toronto, University of Waterloo. You can see that University of Cambridge, that is also University of Edinburgh. If you are from India, you can see that IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras also is providing, and then IASC Bangalore as well. We have many courses. There are total 53 free resources are available. If you want to enroll in any courses on machine learning, first you come and check this website whether those courses you can enroll and then you can benefit from them. If the course is not suffice your need, then go and pay, or you can enroll the course anywhere. One of the benefit is you can do it on your own pace. You don't have to hurry and do it, but that will be useful for you. The other part is there are some university they provide a quiz. They provide assignments. I don't know that is available on the outside, but at least you can take those assignments and you can do, or you can reread it. You can rewatch the video multiple times to enhance your skills. It is not one time. If you watch the video you can understand. You need to watch 2 or 3 times to understand, watch the videos to understand on the machine learning part. It will give you a very good benefit to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can post more videos in the future. Thank you.